So this is the problem. Now we have to solve this problem by making the network diagrams, and then we'll go for the next ideal times and the next the uh, positions of the set. Okay, so here first okay. Now we can put this start time. Network diagram. Okay, so after this, we'll go for next thing. What is actually idle times for each thing that we have to get? Idle times for uh, each event. How to get the idle times? In order to get that idle times, we require the cycle time. So for this problem, cycle time is given. Like cycle time given. Uh, this is the cycle time. Okay. So here it is. Six activities are there, and we have to calculate idle time. Okay. So idle time is how So station number one, uh, event is 70. So what is the ideal time here? Our cycle time is 90. Then next station number two. Station number two. Number three. Station number three. What is the station number three? 40 plus 60. 90 minus 60. What is the 30? Four number. This is the 40 plus 30. One station. 80, 90 means here it is the fifth and sixth. So fifth and sixth. That is 50. So what is the station here? 40. What is the total ideal times for this is 100. Okay. Ideal times in percentage. So ideal times in percentage, how to calculate? Total ideal time. Cycle the ideal time in percentage. So this is the so cross which problems what is the what is the actually ideal time in percentage? Okay. So up to here it is clear. Hello. So already I have taken these problems, but yesterday one of you had asked about the these methods. That's why I repeated this problem. Okay, very simple problem is there. First, you have to make the network diagram. Idle times you have to calculate. After that, percentage of idle time. Okay. So, so anybody having any problems here? Okay. Now, next, what we have to do? So here, I think it's clear. So once this RPM method is given, then what is your first thing? You have to make network diagram. So while using our first BPM, process same thing here, you can make network diagram. After that, you can write down the station. Our cycle time is 90. Station time is 90 minus 70 will be there. So 90 minus 70 will be there. About 4 stations. So 4 stations, this is 12 stations. 40 plus 70. So let us we go for a ranking of dates. So first, let us consider our first A activity house consider. Now, how this A activity will get up whole like addition of all these actually the computations requirement related to A. So here first we take 70 plus 80 okay, plus 30 plus the remaining C. That so the total if you go for addition of this 70, 80, 30, 50, 40, 20, 50, 40. So if you go for addition of this, after that you can go for yes, you will come 80 plus then D, 20 plus 50, D, 40 plus 50, 90. Then F, F, and last one here. So like this you can go with after that we have to decide the sequence. So which is the first we take maximum time that is our first after that minimum okay, which is the 50 plus 30 plus 50. Then it is 15. Okay. Just make the correction. C 80 30. Now maximum time we can take. So what is our sequence here? Our sequence, our sequence, maximum time we take for 8. After that, this is the next maximum. Next maximum. After this, below 160, this is there. Below 160. That, that, okay. So in this sequence, we can alter the tables. In this sequence, we can alter the table. What is A here? 380, C 160, D 170, B 160, 300, and 90. Yeah, 80, D 70. Correct. So in this sequence, we can make, and after this sequence, you have to go for making the station. Okay. So here six stations are there. We have to get it converted into uh, five stations. Let us be say. Okay. So five stations. If you go five stations instead of six, then we can make one table. Then sequence we can take here. That is A, B, and heading towards station. The station one, two, three, four, and five. Means we have to uh, minimize the number of stations. Out of six, we can make it five. How it is? So initially A, what is the value of A here? A, that is the 70. So here we can write the 70. 70. So our 90 seconds is there. So 70 after that, which thing we can add so that it will become 90. So first station, so 70 is there. So our cycle time is 20. If we add this 20, 7, 8, 9 means D will be here. D will be here. D, there is a 20 means 70 plus 20 is 90. First station, it will get pause. Second station, related to second station, which will take 80. So, what is the 80? 80 is related to B. So, second, this is the B. Correct. So B will be there. This is second station. If we add something here, then 10 value will not be there. So this is the second station. Then we have to go for third station. Third station. Station. Uh, C. What is that C? 40 is there. And what is about G? 50 is there. So 40, 50 will go. So C here is 40 and G this is 50. In this station will get over. Then fourth stations will be E and F, 40 and 30. E and F. So here it is E, 30. 70 less than 90. Okay. And after that, last station is there. So this is the H station. So here is 50. 50. So this is the station number one. This is the station number two. Station number three. Little bit skill is required to make the addition of. So on station number one, two events will be there A and D. Second, only B will be there. Third, C and G will be there. Fourth, this will be there, and last H will be there. Okay. So corresponding idle times for each stations, you can calculate the idle times for each second. So A and D are combined here on the first station. Then B and allowance will be there in the second. Third, C and G. And fourth, F and fifth, H. Okay. So here's we'll calculate the idle times for this also. So here's A and this D, 70 plus 80. So idle time for A is 0. For second B, what is the idle time here? 10. Then station number 3. What is this? 4 plus 50, station number 3. So let us we'll take station wise here. Number 1, number 2. Number 3, 40 plus 50, 0. Then fourth, 40 plus 30, 70. So here 80, 90 is here is 20 and fifth, how much? 40 will be there. 40. So total idle time 40 plus 60, 70. So 70 is the idle times. So if you calculate percentage idle times, then percentage idle times is equal to total idle time divided by cycle time 19 to number of station 5 into 100. So what is the idle times here? Just you calculate the idle time. So here's idle time is 15.55. 15.55. Previously it was 29. Previously it was 29. Now it is reduced by converting 6 stations into 5 stations. So this is about the rank position methods. It is very simple method. First of all, we have to make this diagram. After that, we have to make this addition by using this diagram. You can make the sequence of this. You can put like this and allocate the second below 90 or equal to 19 one station, because we have to convert 6 stations into 5. So for first station you can go for sequence wise. 70 you can take, but if you take B, 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 F, one of the value of this, then it will cross above 90. So that's why I have taken 20. Similarly, second 80. If you take additional, it will cross above the 90. So this is the 90, this is the below 90, and this is the below. And idle time for each station you have to get. So this is the idle time, percentage in idle time total idle time divided by cycle times into number of stations. This is the number of stations, 100. So you will get this is the idle time. So this is about the RPW methods, about the line balancing. Okay. So um, anybody having any doubts? So roll number 50 is there. Roll number 50. Hello. Yes. Have you got the concept? Okay. Thank you. So this is about the RPM methods. Okay. So this RPM method is related to our line balancing. Two methods are there. Already this part is over. But just by the your feedback, we have taken this problem. Okay. So this is about the uh, RPM methods. Okay. So today we'll stop here because of the network problems. We'll stop here. Tomorrow we'll continue the remaining part of our inventory controls. Numerical problems will continue. In between, if anybody having any doubt, you can ask. And like this revision we will take related to your doubt, we will clear your doubt also, and then we will proceed. But our, as usual, continuous inventory control is going on. Tomorrow we'll take one more problems and then we'll switch to next articles. So today we will stop here. Okay. Thank you.